So we're in the 2022 SL55 and you're probably wondering, how do I activate the rear spoiler in my car? So first thing you want to do, you come down to your drive selectors down here. It took us ages to figure this out, and you're scrolling through like this. Obviously there it was there, for example, but you're probably going to have to scroll through all of these, and then it's a simple case of pressing on here, clicking and hold to put it down, pressing it to bring it back up again. Brilliant. So if it isn't there, you want to come over to your screen over here, press this little AMG button and up to your settings. Now here I can actually control everything what's on my steering wheel widgets. I can also, obviously all the default ones are there, it should be included as default, but if you click over here and it's not there as default, bring it down your list, and rear spoiler, there it is. Obviously you can select it, unselect it there. I've had it on the 3D view, that's my own personal preference. It's a great tool, it's a little bit hidden away, but hopefully this video can solve any issues that you might have with it.